Continuing coverage at 10, the local push to stay ahead of a fast-moving virus. As of right now, there are no known COVID-19 infections here in the valley.
Our area's first outbreak-related disaster declaration goes into effect in Hidalgo County in just a few hours. A lot of questions coming into us about what it exactly means. Channel 5's Christian Colon in our studio with some of those answers. Christian.
Yeah, that's right. We have received a lot of questions sent to us on what this declaration means for my business. What about the wedding I have planned? Well, officials say any gathering of 50 people or more is now prohibited, and law enforcement could be involved to stop it. For the past few weeks, Norma Ortiz says her raspa business has felt the effects of the coronavirus pandemic.
There are no products at the stores. I can't find bananas. I can't find strawberries, not even napkins. What am I supposed to give my customers when I give them the raspa?
Ortiz says she has lost money, but she says she has expanded her cleaning and makes sure everything is sanitized.
The government can shut down what they want, but if we keep going out and not cleaning and not paying attention to their advice, it can backfire. The government isn't going to wash our hands for us. This is our responsibility. We have to listen and take action.
Ortiz says she doesn't know what the Hidalgo County emergency declaration means for her business. In the words of officials, businesses like hers are exempt from the declaration because customers come in and out. She can't stay open, but is urged to follow CDC guidelines on social distancing, such as making her business drive-through only or taking away tables and adding sanitation, anything to reduce the spread.
To make sure that we are as prepared as possible to curtail any spreading of this. So we believe this is the most prudent action to take to make sure that we don't overwhelm our public health institutions with too many people.
County officials say any gatherings of 50 or more people are not allowed, such as weddings or other parties. This will remain in effect for 7 days, and Cortez hopes it will be extended by the Commissioner's Court until March 31st. But there are some exceptions.
Schools of higher learning, those are the ones that need to be evaluated and exempt from it, day-to-day business, but everything else needs to be evaluated. What we're asking is all those leaderships to reevaluate how they operate.
Officials add local law enforcement could get involved if people do not abide by the declaration. Officials tell us we will learn more tomorrow on what this means for the county once it is signed into place. They do add this is not the time to hoard products. As we mentioned, it is hurting businesses and people like the elderly who depend on these household products. In terms of testing, about 15 people have been through it. Again, valley-wide, no confirmed cases of coronavirus. In the studio, Christian Colon, Channel 5 News at 10.
We spent today working on a declaration of disaster. On behalf of Cameron County, we sent it up to the governor.
A precautionary declaration also in the works for Cameron County. A total of 9 people there have been tested for the virus. 4 tested negative, 5 others still waiting on word. We're told 14 people are in self-quarantine tonight because of exposure concerns.
And everybody needs to be realistic that there probably will be, and there may be several. That's why all of these preventive measures are being done right now, so that way we minimize the potential for that first case or for any additional cases after that.